Hey guys, it's Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we are clearing up the difference between waterline cleaning and wall climbing, and which one is the one you should be looking for in a robotic pool cleaner. When browsing for a robotic pool cleaner, you will notice that many are marketed as wall climbing, and while only a select few are labeled as waterline cleaning. Don't be fooled by the similar language. Wall climbing only units such as the Nautilus CC Plus will stop short of the tile line, leaving it for you to clean by hand. If you are going to get a robotic pool cleaner, you want the one that can clean every part of your pool, especially the dirty waterline. Otherwise, your automated cleaner isn't doing all the hard work for you. This is why you want to look at units that say waterline cleaning, such as the Dolphin Premier or Dolphin Sigma, so you don't have to pick up after the robot. It's also important to buy a robot with waterline cleaning for the sake of your pool chemistry. Algae and biofilm can throw off your pool's chemistry. Biofilm is the invisible film that's made of bacteria and other difficult to pronounce organisms that you don't want in your pool. Another con to using a robotic pool cleaner that can't clean the waterline is algae can set off allergies in many people. So there you have it, the difference between wall climbing and waterline cleaning, and why waterline cleaning is the feature you are going to want for your pool. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.